aujourd'hui. Welcome to today's episode of French with Grace. In the last episode, we treated the French alphabet. Guess what? Today's episode will be treating the days of the week in French. Les jours de la semaine. Also, at the end of this class, this episode, we will be having a short game, and you will also be able to say it in French that my favorite day is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. So I hope you stay tuned to the end of the class. Les jours de la semaine en français sont the days of the week in French are lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. So you are going to pronounce it now without me saying it. You say it alone. Remember, I said lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, and dimanche. So you are going to say your own now. Let's go. Good. Très bien. Very good. Bon. Good. Very good. Très bien. Good. That is very wonderful. Now we are going to try it all over again with the sound. Let's go. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, et dimanche. If you look at these days of the week, everything is ending with D, aside dimanche that starts with D. Also, the days of the week, it is said that it is derived from the 9 planets we have.
La Lune,
Lundi,
which is moon.
mardi, Mars, mercredi, Mercury, jeudi, Jupiter, vendredi, Venus, samedi, Saturn, and dimanche, which is Sunday. So why don't you tell me your favorite day in French? Par exemple, I will be saying, mon jour préféré est lundi. Mon jour préféré est lundi. My favorite day is Monday. You say yours. Mon jour préféré est jeudi. My favorite day is Thursday. Mon jour préféré est dimanche. My favorite day is Sunday. Very good. You can continue saying it all over and all over again. Yes, so I'll be playing a short game now. I'll be listing the days of the week, and I want to be sure you can now dictate the complete day of the week. I want you to tell me the one that is missing. Let's go. Okay? So which one is missing? Correct. Mardi is missing. Très bien. Which is Tuesday. Let's go. Another one. Which one is missing? Correct. Friday, vendredi is missing. Another one. Ta-da! Which one is missing? Correct. Mercredi, Wednesday is missing. And the last one. C'est ça. Which one is missing? Very good. Sunday is missing, which is Saturday. So I want us to say the days of the week again in French. Let's go together, me and you. It's me and you, moi et toi. Alors, lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi et dimanche. Oui, that is very, 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 very interesting. That is good of you. You can keep practicing, you can keep rehearsing so that you can say your days of the week correctly in French. Oui, il y a 7 jours de la semaine. There are 7 days in the week. Yes. And don't forget that the first day of the week in French is lundi, while the last day of the week in French is dimanche. Our first day of the week is Monday instead of Sunday, and our last day of the week is Sunday. I hope you understand. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for viewing. Merci beaucoup, monsieur, mademoiselle et madame. Au revoir.